Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update e-commerce shipping zones in USPS Click-N-Ship. Complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your USPS Click-N-Ship account. Navigate to the Shipping Preferences section. Click on Shipping Zones. You will see a list of your current shipping zones. To edit an existing zone, click on the zone name. Modify the zone details as needed. To add a new shipping zone, click on Add New Zone. Enter the name for your new shipping zone. Select the regions you want to include in this zone. You can choose states, zip codes, or custom regions. After making your selections, click Save. Review the new or updated shipping zone for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to update your shipping preferences. If you need to remove a shipping zone, click on the Delete option next to the zone name. Confirm the deletion to ensure the zone is removed. Once all changes are made, ensure to click on Save Changes. Your shipping zones will now be updated. You can return to your dashboard to verify the changes have taken effect. Feel free to test shipping rates using the updated zones. Ensure you monitor any customer feedback regarding shipping options. Regularly review your settings to adapt as your business evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.